complete our Thanksgiving. I have 2 pounds of macaroni and cheese, elbows of course. And to get started, we already put salt in the pot. To get started, we're going to add a stick of butter. Some use margarine, I use butter. If I need more, I will put margarine because I have to be careful with my salt intake. They say unsalted, sometimes it be something else. And so you're going to do your, make sure your butter is melted. I hope everyone is up and getting their dinner together. Those that are going out, I hope you guys are enjoying as well. So the turkey is just about done. I slept with him on 250. And when I got up, I put him on 350. So he's definitely on the road. So again, we got to mix in the butter into the elbow noodles. I did put a little salt in my pot when I was boiling, as well as a little bit of oil. I use olive oil, just a little bit, into the pan, to the pot, so that your elbows don't stick. So I'm just gonna try to get this butter melted as much as possible. I will not be adding more butter, a piece here, a piece there. We just, get it all done and be done. You know what I'm saying? So again, this is 2 pounds of elbow noodles. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys are cooking. Are you cooking? Are you hanging out? Are you just relaxing? Are you ordering? I'm just curious because I found, these days, there's really not a lot of traditional Thanksgiving. And so, and people say, oh, traditional. Ain't nobody cooking no more these days. Yes, we do. I always have tried to cook. It's been years when I've had to put something together. There's a big difference. But this year we doing it big. Okay, I'm gonna let that butter sit there for a minute. So this dish is called Southern Macaroni and Cheese. Not everybody can make macaroni and cheese. And so I decided to show my audience how to make an official Southern macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna do this again. So this is the butter. This is I'm gonna do. No, I'm gonna do the milk. Now with milk, it is 1 can of evaporated milk per pound of elbows. And so I had 2 pounds. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna add as I go. This is actually one of my favorite dishes to make. I wasn't always great at macaroni and cheese, but over the years, I developed, when you like doing something, it does make a difference in your dish. So that's a can and a half. I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm gonna add 5 large eggs. Now I'm going to mention the milk often in this video because I realized that sometimes people could be missing just a little bit of something and it makes a world of difference in your dish. And so, this is number 4. These eggs, I don't know, but we gotta see. Okay, I did good. I didn't get none of the shell up in there. Okay. Okay, so he's gonna mix up our eggs. I put 5 eggs. So far, again, and a half of evaporated milk. Now the cheese for me is the fun part. Let me go grab it. Let's see. I was gonna try to bite that, but it's gonna work out. I don't know. So. So we're gonna do the cheese. Get rid of this stuff. I'm gonna clean up as you go. Okay. Butter is still not completely melted, and that's fine. That's fine. You know, your noodles will cool down as you wash them. So, I'm going to put my ingredients in the description box when I am done and when the picture is ready, the official thumbnail. So that is that. Then we have 5 large eggs. So far, 10.5 milk. Now I do this cheese not often because for me it just don't melt right. And so, but I'm gonna use it anyway because this is what baby girl picked up. So I have this and then I have my blocks. So yeah, it's really self-explanatory. I mean, macaroni is macaroni, but it's what you put in it that kind of brings it out. It's not only the look, believe me. It's not only the look. It's delicious. So, I have this cheese, which is mild cheddar cheese. Some use sharp cheese. Sharp cheese to me is super, super salty. Over the years, I've learned that no, sir. No. Now, if you want that, you can put that in your dish or on your plate. However they want to do it, I do have some, but I don't use it. So that's that. And of course, my cheese I cut up last night. And I'm going to do this mostly on the top. And you really don't need salt because it's there. But I do like pepper. Other than the salt in your water, you really don't need any other salt because it's already there. So that's that. And I'm going to use the other half of this milk. So again, there's 2 pounds of, we have 2 pounds of elbows here. So, and there's a can of milk for each pound, a can of evaporated milk. So that's that. I'm going to just put a couple of pieces in here because there's cheese in there already. And then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do to officially top it off. Go ahead and turn it again. Get it like that. Final spin. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. I'm gonna rinse my pan out one more time. And we are going to pour it in there. Oh goodness, that looks so delicious. So my original bowl I found had a crack this morning. Thank God I didn't, put nothing in there yet, but it's fine. So I end up using my cake dish, my other top to my cake dish. And it worked out, you know what I mean? You have to use what you have. And at this late in the cooking for today, there's no way I'm going out there looking for a mixing bowl. And so I did put one on my Amazon list. I will bring back my wish list, so in case you guys want to bless me, I will bring it back up to the platform soon. Okay, so that is the cheese. The rest of what's on the bottom. This looks so good, oh my goodness. And so while we're doing that, I like to try to smooth it around only because of what I'm gonna do next. So I'm gonna take my cheeses and just stick them down in little blocks. Again, I use mild. I don't particularly care for the sharp. It's just a little bit salty for me. There's gonna be some in the bathroom, folks. There's gonna be some. I'm gonna be some in the bath. Got my tea on standby. Just keeping it real. Absolutely. So my next dish will be rice and peas. I'm excited about that. Gonna add something different to that. Again, just look for your empty spots and stuff your cheese down in. Don't have to. You can mix it at one time. Most people do. I just like to taste cheese in every bite, you know? Anywho, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning guest, listen. You know how we do. Keep checking the community board. I will bring back up my YouTube wish list. Because things have changed. As far as utensils and, those different kind of things. And so There are a few things I would love to have to bring to this platform when I'm cooking, such as a new strainer. I need a big one. So anyway, catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for your continued support. Y'all be blessed and enjoy your Thanksgiving. Later.